Hello viewers, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Zohar Islam Official. Uh, let's take a start from friability test. So this is another official test which is performed for the tablets. So friability test that is the test which is usually used to measure the strength of the tablets. So why friability test is performs? So this test is performed to measure the tablets to withstand mechanical shock with abrasions without crumbling during the handlings of manufacturing, the packaging, the shipping, and the consumer use. Friability test is generally for tablets which is indicated by the chipping, capping, and breaking. This friability test is strictly adhered to the coated tablets. Friability problem is encountered with thin tablets, especially when a tablet is large diameter tablets and granules which are excessively dried or excessively fine granules. So the extent of friability is measured by using Roche friabilator. So this apparatus is used to perform the friability test. So as we know, so according to the SPER formula, the limits of the friability test shall not be more than 1%. I mean that the maximum loss of weight from a single test or from mean of three tests, they are not greater than 1% and acceptable for most tablets. So try to remember that according to the USP, IP, and British Pharmacopoeia, a maximum weight loss obtained from a single test or from the mean of three tests, not more than 1%, is considered acceptable for the most tablets. So the chewable tablets and the effervescent tablets may have different specification as far as friability is concerned. So let's see the apparatus which is used to perform the friability test. So it rotates at the rate of 25 revolution per minute. So first of all, you will have to take 10 tablets. They are the 10 tablets. They are weighed collectively, and then it is placed in the chamber of friabilitors. After that, in the fibrillator, the tablets they are exposed to rolling resulting from free fall of the tablet within the chamber of fibrillator. So I mean that this fibrillator can rotate at the rate of 25 revolution per minute. This is Roche fibrillator. After 100 revolutions or after completion of 4 minutes, which revolve 100 revolutions has been completed in 4 minutes. So the tablets were taken out from the fibrillator and take tablets were again weighed collectively. Now, how you will calculate it that the percentage friability is calculated by using the formula. This is very simple formula which is used for the friability. So you will have to put here the weight of the tablet before test, which can be represented by a capital letter W1, and then it can be subtracted from the weight of the tablet. So after test. So this is the weight of the tablet before test and W2 is indicated for the weight of the tablet after test. And then it will be divided by the weight of the tablet before test and multiplied with 100. So then you will check that how much contents they are lost. So it shouldn't be more than 1%. If it is 1%, then it is said to be considered acceptable for the most products.